Good morning, guys. I hope you guys had a great night. Alright, so we're just gonna get started here. So looking here at GJ, I'm gonna be looking for sales below 165 200. We can see GJ. So right now we can see GJ pulling back here. So now we're kind of late to the party, so we wait for closure below 165 200. So you guys are hopping on, keep smashing that like button for me, guys. I appreciate you all. Good morning, Vatsev. Good morning, Super Data Wolf. I hope you guys had a great night. Hopefully we had a very good Friday today. You know, the market really really moved pre-London up till now. So let's see if it continues to the end of today. Alright, so that's that for GJ. NJ here, honestly, if price should pull back, if this bullish candle should flip bearish, then we possibly could actually take the sell, or we just wait for price to close below 85.400. Alright, so looking here at EJ, price is actually pulling back down here. So looking here at EJ, we're gonna be waiting for closure below 138.400 here. Just give me a second, guys. Gotta do something real quick. Actually, guys, let me know where you guys are watching me from today. As you guys are hopping on, let me know where you guys are actually watching me from. Looking at this, let's say decide to have an entry here, we got entry right here. That's not what we're doing, guys. Just can have stops right above this trend line here, or you can just wait for price to close below this 138.370 zone, and that's what we're going to be waiting for here. All right. Potential sales below 138.400. So we'll see what happens with we shall see what happens with EJ. So let's go back to GJ here. All right. Good morning, Super Data Wolf. Good morning, Black Rose. Good morning, FCD. Good morning, Vara. Good morning, Danny. Good morning, Sally from Qatar. Danny from London. Super Data Wolf, Toronto, Canada. Good morning, Caleb. Good morning, Mr. Grind Time. Good morning, Pippin Pips from Phoenix. Did I close my AJ and NJ sales? Yes. Yes. Good morning, David from Spain. Thank you guys for hopping on. Alright, so we're looking at here for GJ. I'm actually looking for sales. AJ here, price to break below 93,500, and we'll be looking to take our sales from there. So we'll see how the market reacts today. We shall see. USD JPY, well, I don't know what UJ is doing, but no, UJ here we can have buys above. I don't think I'm going to trade it this morning anyways. Buys above 128,700 and sells below 127,600 here. All right. UJ hasn't been doing too good this week so far. Sells below 127,650, somewhere there. Right, NZDJPY. We got sales below this support zone here, the price created 85,500, and looking to take sales. So now it's just a waiting game of KJPY. If I do KJPY, we just have some music going on here. KJPY, we need price to do what? We need price to break below this range here, and we could take a sell. We could actually take, if this candle keeps pushing down here, we could actually take this sell because we have a bullish flip candle here, so we could actually take the sell. We'll see what happens. Good morning, UD. Good morning, Miss Dorothy. All right, you're at work, UD, you're just watching. All right, thank you for watching. I think we have Canadian news at 7:30. It's not a major news, but it's a medium news. So there is it might affect this currency pair, and it might not. So we'll see what happens. So we're gonna wait for that 30-minute candle to close on KJPY, this candle here, and after 7:30 we'll see what happens with KJPY. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. So we wait for this candle to close since we have Canadian news. It's a medium impact news, so we're still gonna wait though. So there's nothing to do now but wait. You said they're expecting bad numbers. And then if this 30-minute candle just keeps pushing down, I mean, then obviously we're just gonna have to look at another pair, because anything can happen with that news. I'm not gonna risk it. But one thing I am going to tell you is that if we didn't have these projected numbers here to the right, then I'll get in CAD JPY even before the news. So, but if the numbers come out and it's actually below 0.4%, then it should keep dropping. And it should keep dropping. Can you guys hear me clearly though? Yeah, listen to Sally, guys. Keep smashing that like button. Yo, what's up, Josh? UD, you sent me a message on Telegram. I already responded to you. I don't know if you've seen it or not. So just let me know if you've seen it. You're welcome, UD. So we got like 13 more minutes to the news. Said no bottom, no top or bottom wick 4-hour candle on CAD JPY. On the 4-hour. I mean, it just flipped bullish now, but at the same time, this candle can still flip bearish. Once it flips bearish, that would be nice to take yourself below 101200. So it has it still has enough time because this candle closes at 8 o'clock, which is in about 40 minutes or so, so it can still flip bearish. So don't even trip. We can see EJ is trying to push up here, but don't forget that we have this trend line here. So there's every possibility it could actually push up, but why would you risk it when we have the trend line here? Now once it breaks above it, and then it should have a retest at some points, then you can take your buys. Then you can take your buys on EJ back to this resistance here and this resistance here. So that's all you gotta do on EJ. Just gotta see if JPY is gonna keep dropping here. You feel me? If JPY breaks this trend line and then breaks above this previous support zone here to the left, you can take your buys from there, which is above 101.800. To tell you guys the truth, I took this trade. Was it London session or pre-London? I'm not sure. I can't remember anymore. And I'm still in this JPY trade. Now, if it breaks below this support now, then I'll take this trade as well. Just for you guys on the live stream with me this morning. Just take another position on CJ. We got 8 more minutes for this candle to close and for the news we're waiting for. 6 more minutes, guys. Just 6 more minutes. Good morning, Jason. You see NJ falling to 88, 152. Maybe not today. All right. You in Euro card buys. All right, nice. No, I just like the fact that you guys are really taking trades on your own as well. Yeah, nice. You caught it this morning. That's nice. Keep smashing that like button, guys. Hopefully we're gonna have some volatility today, guys. Sometimes Fridays be good. I mean, it was already good because pre-London and London session was great. If you traded London, now we're just hoping it continues till, this New York session now. So here on JPY, if it keeps dropping, I'm expecting to see buyers come in, whether at this resistance or at this support here. So, and if it really drops, that's going to be a huge, it's going to be a big move. It's going to be a big move. Looking at either a 70 pip drop or a freaking 100 pip drop. One more minute, guys. One more minute. How 30-minute candle open bullish. Okay, now we're just waiting for this candle to flip bullish, or if not, then we gotta keep waiting for price to break and close below this support here. So we gotta keep waiting here, guys. We have good numbers. Oh, man, I'm surprised it's all green. We have GJ news coming up at 9:30, GBP news coming up at 9:30. I don't think it's gonna have any effect on the market because we don't have any previous or forecasted numbers here. And usually on Forex Factory, when that happens, it doesn't affect the market. So we'll see. We shall see. Canadian news came out positive. I believe that's why we see this bullish candle right now. That doesn't mean it still can drop if it wants to. So we just got to keep waiting here, especially if we have a bearish flip here. Then man, it's time to take CJ sells. Yeah, the numbers are good. You said you don't think those numbers will change so much? We'll see. I'm not going to stay too long for today's stream because today is Friday, which is the last day of the week, of the 12 of the trading week. So we'll see what happens. If I don't take any trade between 9 and 10, then that's it for this week. We continue on Monday. You said a little push up, then potential push down for a sell, maybe. But it's still ranging here, so we're still in a range. Ooh, boy. Says JPY pairs are in the range now. Yeah. So gold is going bullish. That's nice. Oh no, Euro card was a fake out. You said long on GJ maybe? I mean, there's no long on GJ right now. Like, there's no long on GJ right now at all. There's no going long right now. We had this fake out right here. This was a fake out. Now we can see price is trying to push down here, and price can just keep ranging here. But if it breaks this high that it created here, it could take this buy. There you have TP here, and so on and so forth. Because if you look at this here, we have plain candles here to the left. So if it actually breaks above 165.800, you'll be looking at taking buys. And we just gotta be hoping that it's not gonna be a fake out. But for now, there's no buys. No buys at all. If CJ doesn't fall, I'm not gonna take the buys because I don't feel comfortable with it. I'm gonna look at other pairs. I feel comfortable. No, not even EJ buys. GJ. have no zones here. Yep, so I'll feel comfortable taking AJ buys as well. Because we have clean candles here to the left, so we can take buys. But right now it's in a range. AJ is in a range. Keep smashing that like button, guys. So keep watching GJ here. I'm pretty sure some traders already took this sell here. I'm pretty sure about that. see a lot of traders are selling JPY pairs. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And look at CJ. CJ, 93% of traders are selling CJ. Where's GJ? GJ 75% are selling, 25% are buying. Keep smashing that like button, guys, so we can get more viewers in here. You said I have been saying JPY pairs was due for a downturn. Yeah, it's been long overdue for a downturn. Like a strong bearish trend. But I don't think we're going to see a strong bearish trend with JPY pairs until probably after the war between Russia and Ukraine ends. Still bullish on the daily time frame. Yeah. Ooh. Honestly, I see no reason for GJ not continuing his bearish move here. You think gold is on its way back down to at least 1900? I don't know if I'll be trading NAS 100 today. So gold is ranging here. Gold is ranging here. Nothing is going on gold right now. Just gotta wait and see if gold is gonna break below 1932 or 1930. But since we also have a previous support here, trend resistance here, if it breaks 1938, then you can take your buys from there actually, and you have a zone here to the left. You have a zone there to the left, and you got a zone here. Yeah, so if it continues going up here, then you have these two zones for your potential TP. You can see how messy this zone is over here. Really, really messy. It's not clean at all. Not clean at all. Anyways, I don't trade gold like that anyways. Good morning, Ninja Crypto. Oh wow, congratulations, Grand Time. You started phase 2 today. Man, I'm so freaking proud of you, man. I'm really proud of you, Gary. You started phase 2 already. You pass it. You pass that challenge. And you'll get your funded account. And then hopefully you'll be able to quit your truck driving job soon. Wow, that's nice, Gary. I see you love trading gold. You're welcome, you're welcome. I think Gary is with Funded next. Keep smashing that like button, guys, so we can get more viewers in here. Oh, Caleb, you trading a funded account also? Or are you just thinking about taking one? Damn, Jason, you love trading them indices, don't you? Especially US 30. Let me look at my indices, baby, here. No trade set up right now. $5% just looks good to you. All right, I've heard about them. Trader Central is a good one as well. We just need a breakout out of this range on GJ here. So we just gotta wait until we get it. Gary, my man, with the gold trading. Nice. You know, but it's in a range, so just be careful. It's in a range. Since you've got 30 pips already, shit, I would get out if I were you. Gold is in a range. Yeah, Trader Center has been doing a lot of upgrading, and that's very, very good. You're gonna ride gold to the wheel falls up. That's the spirit. Hopefully it keeps dropping. What are you saying on gold? Gold just left a 4-hour wick to push up. Let's see what Josh is talking about. Oh, damn. Oh man. So for now, we're gonna be switching between CJ and GJ here. So we'll see what happens, guys. Keep smashing the like button for me, guys. When I go to Forex Factory, what am I looking for? Let me explain real quick. So when you look at Forex Factory, you see all these folders. The red folders means high impact news. The orange folder means medium impact news, and the yellow folder means low impact news. So the main focus is the red folders, because those are the high impact news, and then you can also look at the medium impact news as well. They really don't affect the market most of the time, but sometimes they do. So that's all you look for when you look at Forex Factory. That's what you look for. Oh, nice. Super Data Wolf. That's another pair I don't trade. Euro card. When I used to freaking trade every freaking currency pairs under the sun, yep, I used to trade Euro card as well. Once in a while. Trading all freaking currency pairs, man, that's not a good strategy. Not a good strategy at all. You're welcome, Ninja Crypto. When you get to a point in this Forex journey, even if you're making nothing but $500 a day, man, the feeling is just amazing. And then from there, before you know it, you'll be at $1,000 a day. You said EJ made a move, looks like. I mean, I already explained that since we have this trend line here, we only have point A, point B. For this trend line to be complete, we need a point C. Now, EJ could actually reject this trend line and start coming down, but if it breaks and close above it, then just wait for a pull back to this trend line or back to this support zone here, and then you can take your buys from there. So, I mean, that's the kind of setup I'll be looking at with EJ. That's definitely what I'll be looking at with EJ. So, but for now, there's nothing here for me. D-Nice FX, what's up? How you doing? Do I trade indices at all? Only NAS 100, but I don't trade it every time, all the time. When did we trade NAS 100? Yesterday. I really don't like trading NAS 100 on Fridays, so I might not be looking at it today. What are my thoughts on NAS 100? I mean, NAS 100 created a supply here, now you're late to the party. So now we have New York Stock Exchange opening up in about 18 minutes here. So now the goal is to see if this push down here, if we're gonna reject this support, support zone here. Now if we reject this support zone here, obviously you can take your buys back to this resistance here or supply zone here, and then you're out of the market. Or if it breaks below this, then we have this zone here, then we could actually have a buy potential here also at 136.20, or it could just break below it and keep coming down. For now, there's nothing to do right now, you just gotta wait. Alright, D-Nice, that's my opinion on NAS 100. At least that's what I'll be looking for. But we're in a downtrend, so we're in a downtrend. But potential buys is right here, these two zones here, potential buys, except if it breaks out of these two zones here. That's the strategy I use on NAS 100, on indices, supply and demand. Forex pairs, obviously you guys should know by now, it is breakout strategy. That's what I use with Forex pairs. Once in a while on Forex pairs, if I see a good supply and demand setup, then I'll take it. I was going to take this NZDJPY sells here. You can see EJ pushing back here, rejecting this trend line here. So you just got to see what happens. Yes, D-Nice. I trade support and resistance with Forex pairs. And then I trade supply and demand with NAS 100. That's what I do. So I don't use support and resistance for NAS 100. Nope. It's strictly supply and demand. You too, D-Nice. Thanks for hopping on. I'll be back, guys. Good morning, Troy. Oh, David, you said no, not much movement today. We could still get we could still get some volatility. You said don't bump my tongue again. That's a good joke. How you said any nice traders today? We'll see, Troy. We'll see. I usually don't trade indices on Fridays, but we'll see. It's almost 8:30. Troy, after yesterday's win on Nas 100, now you hooked to Nas 100. You probably hooked to Nas 100, trading Nas 100 now.
I see the dream we're chasing true and don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight, I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning, I wanna be the one that you call it. Cause I see you in the future with me, I wanna meet you. Look, best friend, I'm big family. I wanna know it tonight, I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning, I wanna be the one that you call it. Cause I see you in the future with me, I wanna meet you. Look, best friend, I'm big family.
AJ and NZDJP were the pairs that looks like they want to keep dropping here. We'll see. GJ is ranging, CJ is ranging. Let's see what happens with NZDJPY here. You literally haven't looked at. Wow, you've not looked at a single FOREX pair today. Okay, I love the commitment. Wait till you get burnt. You'll be back to FOREX soon. Nice Virgin Energy until you lose. Oh, we go for the likes already? Nice. Thank you, guys. Keep smashing those likes, guys. FOREX pairs are the wife. Nas is the crazy ex that likes to party a little too hard, but we keep going back. Nas is a beautiful drug to get hooked on. If you do it right, it will pay you lots of money. That's facts.
like the ocean. She got waves in the head just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. If it didn't know, swim my man some distance from the ocean. Wavy like the ocean, baby. Yeah, yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said, bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lost with your ATM. The way back and close from
Man, I hate it when market is ranging like this. If you've been following me for a while, you know, it took me a while before I decided to start streaming, because honestly, I don't like sitting in front of my computer like this, waiting for a trade setup. I don't like it. I'd rather come to the charts, mark my zones, and then set my alerts, and then go do what I gotta do. Because when you do this a lot, like just staying in front of your computer, and market is just, price is just ranging like this, sometimes you start feeling like, man, this forex shit is boring. And it could get boring. It's only boring actually whenever price is ranging, when we have low volume like this. Those are the days it becomes boring. No, I don't mark my charts on the 30-minute time frame. I mark my charts on a higher time frame. 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. The only reason why I'll be looking at a higher time frame is just for me to see the overall direction of the market. So then I will know what trades I need to take. Excuse me, I will know what trade I need to take on the lower time frame. Yep, you're right, Ninja Crypto. I appreciate you guys too, man. Oh, let's look at NAS. Oh, oh. Now, since we're in a downtrend, the goal here is to wait for this candle to close and see if we're gonna have a rejection here before you take sales, coming back down to this zone here, to this low here that price created, which is right here. And let's say entry is right here. It's like an 82 point range here. Damn, Troy, you took that buy real quick. I hope you got out already. It just so when the stock market, when the stock exchange market just opened, it's very risky to get in indices right then because it's not stable yet. The market really doesn't know what it wants to do yet. I don't feel like trading NAS today though. Like I said, I really don't trade it on Fridays.
I wake up, stay in my bed for a while, cause I don't wanna start this day up like this. No reason to get up late.
Oh, you already got out.
Just gotta power it through, cause otherwise you'll pull me way down with you. You're not gonna become a habit. I'm not letting you tell me how to be. Make my way till you let me free. Overload, I'm insecure, set me free. And it just doesn't seem like me, making it look like I'm fine. I'm fine. Ticking faster, I don't know the way. Just that time will make it easier. Guess I don't mind if you leave me, babe, so I can feel fine. Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby.
GJ is trying to drop now. You saw imbalance, nice fit on the 1 minute, hopped in, alright. You're not trading in your evaluation account, shit, that's the smart way to do it. What beat is this? Oh. See what I told you guys about the drop? But he rejected off of this resistance over here. You said EJ rejected? Now we should be coming down on EJ because now we have a complete trend line rejection here, because the complete trend line rejection is 3 or more. You can wait for this candle to close. Now if the next candle opens bullish and flips bearish with the top wick, that's a sell right there, and you can sell back to this support zone here at 138,400 and more. If this candle doesn't flip bullish, then we should keep pushing down here. Some people sell right off. As soon as they see a trend line rejection, they just take a position. And that's not the best to do, because just because you see a trend line rejection doesn't mean the trend is changing. You gotta wait for more confirmations. And the confirmations that I'll be waiting for here is because we have a support zone right here. So you have your first confirmation here, the trend line rejection. The second confirmation is this zone here now, the support, for price to break this support here. And then you can take your sell. Even if it keeps dropping and you miss an entry here, so what? You have another entry here at this support zone here if it keeps dropping. So, man, it's really dropping hard now. Damn. Whoa. No impulse entries. I don't care. If you like, keep dropping. I'm not taking impulse entries. We don't take impulse entries here. Wow, good job, Josh. Good job. You guys are killing it today as well. Nice. I'm just glad that majority of you here trade on your own as well. That's what I like to see. Damn. Nice. This is what I like to see with JPY pairs. They're all moving together. Now, we just gotta wait for 30-minute candle to close. I'm sure we're gonna get one JPY trade today, one or two. I like that previous bit. Is it this one? Mimi in the house. You got 20 pips off, nice, nice. You're in a no-lose trade with EJ. Be nice. Since this candle has no wick at the bottom, hopefully it can keep pushing up. Yeah, I want it to push up more so we can have a nice entry here on GJ. We're just gonna wait for the 30-minute closure here. Wait for the 30-minute closure. I'm good, Jonathan. What about you? Keep smashing that like button, guys. There's nothing we can do right now but to wait for closure below our zones. They want people that took impulse entries now. They're getting scared of this pullback right now. And some of them are probably closing their trade now, like, oh no, it's pulling back. Let me take my profit. All JPY pairs look so. GJ here has this support right here, and then this support right here. Yeah, but you're right. JPY looks cleaner to the left than GJ. You're right, but it's gonna drop. I'm thinking about taking 2 trades today, and actually it's gonna be either CJ and GJ, or maybe NZDJPY. NZDJPY and GJ looks the same to the left. AJ. Yeah, AJ as well looks the same to the left. So CJ is actually the cleanest one to the left. EJ doesn't look clean to the left either until it breaks below 138,400. Then you definitely got clean, as you can see, clean traffic here to the left for EUJPY. But he definitely should keep dropping. Now, is he gonna break this support here? I don't know, but it should definitely keep dropping here. So we shall see. So for me, it's gonna be GJ and CJ today, hopefully. What pair are you talking about? Oh, you said you took EJ sales already. Yeah, you're right about that, peeping pips. CJ definitely looks cleaner to the left than GJ. In fact, it has the most clean traffic to the left among all the JPY pairs. It's just that, it's not as volatile compared to GJ, but, it's still volatile as well. I already made money off of CJ. I'm just gonna keep making money now if it keeps dropping, plus I'm looking to take another position. Actually, let me take some partials here. I just smashed 25 pips on CJ here. the feeling of making, man, money every day is just amazing, whether small or little. Small, little, big, whatever. It's amazing. Man, let's keep smashing them likes up, guys. Get those likes up. 43 likes so far, not bad. Man, I can't wait for the day we get like 100 likes or more, and we get like 100 people or more watching. Hopefully that's gonna happen soon. We shall see. We shall see. Of course I know, and I'm ready for it all. I just won't respond. I know that. I just won't respond to the haters. No amount of negativity is gonna kill my vibe. You feel me? I'm just gonna keep doing my thing. You can keep hating if you wanna keep hating on me. If you wanna, keep trolling, shit, that's your business. I'm gonna keep making my money, and then you're gonna stay over there and keep struggling. Man, Ninja Crypto, some of them, man, even if they still result, they'll still find one or two. They'll still find one or two things to keep reasons to keep hating on you. And just know, in this life, when you're a nobody, people are not gonna hate on you. When people start hating on you, just know you're somebody, or just know you're doing something right. When people start hating on you. Okay, so we don't have a closure below the support here on CJ, and I need a bearish candle now with the top wick for me to take this sell here, even though we didn't close below this support. Yep. Man, look at GJ went back to closed above the range here. So we're still gonna keep waiting here. If this candle can flip bullish here and give us a top wick and turn bearish with the top wick, then we can take these sells. Yeah, AJ looks nice. AJ looks nice, but even if this candle flips bullish and flips bearish again with a top wick, you can take the sales, but well, still a decent stop loss here, and we have about 25 pip range here. No. It looks okay here to the left. Since we didn't close below, I'm still gonna wait. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. And if you feel like this is a good setup for you to take these sales, then you can go ahead and take it. 1 hour, we didn't close below either, meaning this candle can still flip. And at the same time, it can keep dropping. It can keep dropping. It's a 50% chance. On the 5 minute, looks like a break and retest right now. Did any of you take this CJ sales? Did any of you take it? I didn't take it yet. How Caleb said show us your live account. Taylor here to kiss my bank balance. Yep, exactly, Pippin Pips, yeah, need a top wick. Oh, Mr. Grindtime said he took the CJ sales. Okay. Now, this candle here is a 50% chance. It can keep dropping and it can still flip. And if this thing keeps dropping, then it is what it is. Then, no. Just look for another pair. Yeah. Man, why none of them has like a top wick? None of them. Well, what that means is we're just gonna keep waiting here. So the setup we're looking for is gonna happen. Will happen eventually. You just gotta be patient. Yeah, looks like we have big volume in the market right now. Man, can somebody talk to Troy? Now he's in love with NAS 100. Troy. Oh yeah. Wow, Troy, you learned very fast. That's really nice. This is a nice demand setup here. Nice demand setup right over here. Good job, Troy. This is exactly how you do it. You just cap it all the way back to this resistance here. And as it keeps going your way, because it moves so fast, 30 pips or more, shit, take some profit and we'll move that thing to break even. And if it keeps going your way, then let it keep running. Let it keep running. You feel me? That's how you do it. Good job, Troy. You learn fast. Nice one. I believe you caught. I think you said you caught this sell, and now you're catching this buy again as well. So NAS is ranging, but it's still a nice. This was a nice demand setup, and up here we have a supply setup here, and we have a demand setup here. Most of the time on Fridays, this is what do you call it, NAS 100 does. That's why I don't like trading it on Fridays. You say you're just waiting, eating popcorn? You're like a kid in a candy store. Hope you don't get constipated. You're welcome, Troy. Troy said in 1 minute is Bay. Yeah, I prefer the 5 minute when I'm scalping NAS 100. Likes. Damn, we still got a lot of time before this 30-minute candle close. We got like 20 more minutes, and we got GJ news coming up at GBP news coming up at 9:30. I really don't think it's going to affect the market because, like I said, we don't have any previous numbers here. So we'll see what happens with GJ at 9:30. I mean, after 9:30. As long as I have a decent stop loss here on CJ, I'll take the sales. But I need that bearish candle with a top wick before I take it. If I don't get it, I'm not taking CJ. AJ and the NZD JPY is really dropping here. How you say we go to Ines? Welcome, welcome, Nibras. Breakout strategy for forex pairs and supply and demand for NAS 100. Man, if only this candle had a top wick, man. You caught 20 pips on GJ, you done for the day. Nice. And one thing you should know also, looking at CJ here, price could come down here just to fill up this week now. Then the next candle could open bullish and we test this support zone right here. So we could have the next candle could open bullish, we test this next zone here, and then maybe that's when we're gonna have a bearish flip with a top wick, and we'll take the sales from there, but we'll see what happens. that analysis might be wrong, but because the market is always going to do what it wants to do. Like I said, if you took this sell already, because this candle has no top wick, it's a 50% chance for price to continue coming down without no retest. So nice. Yeah, I've been on CJ since pre-London session. My first tip is just smashed, so I'm just looking to take more positions here. You see how, so my entry was right here. This was where my entry was. This was at 12:30, this candle right here, and you can see how it had the top wick here. Those are the kind of setup I'd be looking for. And my TP smashed when this candle finally dropped here. That was when my first TP smashed. My final target is all the way down here. You say why is it top wick necessary? It's necessary because of pullbacks and potential fake outs. That's why it's kind of necessary. I'm not saying having a top wick on a bearish move or a bottom wick on a bullish move, that's like 100% guarantee that you're gonna win that trade. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying when you look for trade setups like that, it has a higher win rate than taking sells like this. Because if you really look at it, we have no closure below this support zone here. Price didn't break and close below it, so now it's only right for you to, if this candle had a top wick, then I definitely would have taken this sell, even though we didn't break below this zone here, because what the wick symbolizes is a rejection right over here for price to keep pushing down. So that's what it means. Like I said, we're probably gonna have a wick fill here. Price just wants to fill up this week, and the next candle could open bullish, or it could open bearish and just keep dropping. It can do whatever it wants to do. So since this candle is not pulling back, in my head, that's what I'm expecting to see. You feel me? That's what I'm expecting to see. But if it doesn't happen, obviously there's nothing I can do about it. You see how this candle here on EJ has a top wick here? Now this sell here I will take. The reason why I didn't take it is because my stops would have been too big. Because we don't have no high anywhere here except for above this trend line here. We have this wick here, and I'll be looking at like 40 plus pips. So that's too big. That stop loss is too big for me. That's why I didn't check this sell. If not, this is still a good range here. This is a 30, almost a 40 pip range here. So and another reason why I didn't get in, for me, how I trade, I don't just get in a trade because of a trend line rejection. I wait for that candle to close before I take my position. So now if I want to take EJ, I just gotta wait for it to break and close below 138,400. If I miss an entry there, because EJ really looks clean as well. If you go to the H1 time frame here, you have clean traffic here back to 137.000, which is very nice. So if EJ does not close below this support, if the next candle opens bullish and we have a nice top wick, what do you think I'm gonna do? I'm absolutely gonna take these sales. So the fact that I'm not in CJ right now, I'm not tripping at all, or GJ. I'm not tripping. You said NAS 100 went down? Now it's moving. Now since it wants to close below this zone, you just wait for some type of retest. We have this move here. Wait for some type of retest back to this zone and just keep going down. Alright. If you're looking to trade NAS 100, I will shoot you. So you jumped in on the sell again. You see now, if it actually filled up the previous week, now we have a nice week fill. So now we'll see what happens with the next candle once this candle closes. Wow, Troy. Don't make this a habit though. Do not make it a habit. Or else you're just gonna find yourself giving back what you've made. So don't make it a habit. I said greed is your problem. Yeah, if you're not careful, when you making money on every single trade you're taking, you start getting this feeling to just keep trading. You just gotta work on it, man. You just gotta work on it. Just like when I come to the market, I already know that, okay, today, you know what, I'm looking to take, 1 to 2 pairs, or maybe 3, and then Anything more than that, I'm not trading. Even though if I say, okay, you know what, I want to take more than one trade. If I take one trade, if that was a win, if I don't see any trade set up after that, then I'm done. I'm not going to force it. And if I don't see any trade setup that I'm looking for in any particular day, whatever session it is, that means I'm just going to trade. I'm not going to trade that session. I'll wait for the next trading session that I trade. And you guys already know I trade Asian session as well, because I trade, JPY pairs. So yeah, there you go, FCD. Take what you can, give nothing back. I like that. You promise no more trades. Yeah, that's true, Sally. You can't please everybody. You cannot please everybody. Okay. Definitely not taking AJ or NZD anymore today. So it's either going to be GJ, CJ, or maybe EJ. We'll see. Man, I gotta pee so bad, but I cannot leave right now. I gotta wait and see what happens when this candle closes. If it keeps pushing down with no pullbacks at all, then another trade I see right here is excuse me, is gonna have to be EJ. So we shall see. You said target cancel, you're taking your money now. Oh, Zay, your stops has been 10 to 15 pips. For me, my stops is usually 20 to 30 pips, depending on where my entry is. If I have a very good entry, then my stops is gonna be like 20 pips. If it's just decent, it's gonna be 25 or 30 pips. I'm really expecting to see a bullish candle go up and reject this resistance. I say resistance, this support, just for this candle to create a resistance here, and then next candle should be bearish with a top wick, then I'll take my sell. Hopefully that's the setup I'm gonna see here today. Oh, you're saying, okay, once you in profit 10, 15 pips, you move stops to entry. Yeah, that's nice. That's really what day trading is. We're not swing traders. Oh, damn, I mean, woo! GJ gave me what I'm looking for. But what's the stop loss here? Ah. Oh, damn, that's not what I meant to do, bro. I just took the sell on GJ, guys. I just took the sell on GJ. Just took the sell on GJ. I hope you guys took this sell as well. All right. Yeah, peeping peeps. I took the sales on GJ. Alright guys, now I can comfortably go use the restroom and I'll be right back.
For me, he just wants me like he's attached to me. So what's standing in our way? Yeah, he got such power over me, but I try to act cool about it. But what's standing in our way? He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like he does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah.
David, really? David said long P. I heard that, David. Man, keep smashing the like button, guys. I appreciate you all. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. Wow. EJ is finding it hard to break this support here. AJ, man. This candle is about to close. 7 more minutes. This candle is about to close though.
The sun is going down now, and at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. No, I got all that I need.
I didn't take this yet.
Apologize, no, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind.
I just took JPY.
It's like you are a part of me, the mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. No, I got all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. All these memories that we made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Yeah.
10 pips smashed on GJ. You can move your stops to break even. Can I see W's in the chart? Man, this thing is pulling back now. Okay. Hopefully we don't get stopped out here. Yep, I see what EJ is doing. Then well, we stopped out of GJ here. Damn, what the hell? Definitely wasn't expecting this, man. Look at that. Bam. Okay. Well, 1-1 loose, lost one. All right, that's gonna be that. This bullish candle though. Yep, flipped on us. Definitely flipped on us. Definitely wasn't expecting this move here. Well, I'm still in JPY here. Well, at least we got one win. And then we got stopped out of break even. Now this candle could just be a retest back to this support zone here, or it could actually, the trend might actually change now. But I wasn't expecting the trend change until we got to this zone here at least. Well, all right, guys. At least we got one win. We got one win. So, enjoy your weekend, guys. God bless you all. Thank you guys for always hopping on. I will see you guys on Monday, same time, New York session, 7 a.m. CST. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out. See you guys on Monday.